Detection, search and rescue, and military working dogs all face potential exposure to a range of harmful toxic industrial chemicals, toxic industrial materials, or chemical warfare agents during special operations missions. In response to these growing threats and based upon feedback from expert canine trainers and handlers, Versar has developed the Rapid Pro Canine Decontamination Station, providing a rapidly deployable solution for the decontamination of working dogs in the field. Highly portable, robust, and capable of being set up by 1 to 2 people in just minutes, the station features the custom-engineered Rapid Pro Portable Animal Wash System, or PAWS table, with elevation matting and built-in water management system. The PAWS design allows for the thorough removal of hazardous contaminants at a stable, user-friendly operating height without exposing the dog to dirty runoff water. Heavy-duty folding ramps provide for easy canine entry and exit, while underneath the table, a collapsible wall berm, roll-up elevation flooring, and submersible pump kit provide for total containment of wastewater with minimal risk to response personnel and the surrounding environment. The Canine Decontamination Station is also useful for the general washing and grooming of dogs, as well as in the decontamination of assistance and service dogs, companion animals, and smaller wildlife during response to a man-made or natural disaster. This video serves as a guide in the safe use of the Rapid Pro Canine Decontamination Station. Your Rapid Pro Canine Decontamination Station is shipped with the following components: PAWS table assembly with elevation matting, multi-point overhead restraint system, hand sprayer attachment with quick connect, soap dispenser attachment with quick connect, folding non-slip ramps with water runoff shield, collapsible wall containment berm, roll-up elevation floor, detachable wide drain manifold, and submersible pump with discharge hose. Setup of your Rapid Pro Canine Decontamination Station can be quickly performed by 1 or 2 people. Remove berm from the bag and inspect for any punctures or damage. Then position the berm at the desired location. Create the berm side and end walls by opening the support brackets as shown. Next, set up the rolled flooring. To deploy the rolled flooring, place each roll on opposite sides of the berm and remove the adjustable handle straps. Then remove the Velcro strap. Unroll the flooring down the length of each side. To avoid curling, be sure to properly roll the flooring according to manufacturer's specification when finished using the system. Place rolled flooring in the berm, noting the cutout locations. Then carry the table to the center of the berm and place in the center of rolled flooring on its side. Extend and lock the table legs. We recommend the system be placed on level ground. However, if set up on an incline, be sure that the table drain is set up at the low point of any incline. Place the 4 vertical poles in corner locations. Be sure to level the restraint system using the spring locks on each pole. Next, secure the horizontal poles using the supplied T-bolts. Then secure the cross brace with the supplied T-bolts. Finally, make sure all bolts are tightened properly. The restraint harness is designed for use with the eye bolts on the cross brace. Remove spring lock from hook. Extend drain ramp, making sure the drain holes are at the highest point. Place top of each ramp over support blocks at each end of table. Since the water runs down the ramp holes and to the berm, there is no residual contaminated water left on the ramp. Remove transfer pump from storage bag. Slide flooring at lowest point to create a location for the transfer pump. Place pump in vacated space. Be sure the pump is powered via a ground fault circuit interrupter for safety. Connect discharge hose to pump. It is possible for the pump to create an airlock. If airlock occurs, disconnect the discharge hose until water begins to flow. Then reconnect discharge hose. Be careful to not allow any spills outside of the berm. Find male cam locks under table and attach drain hose manifold. Lead drain hose in direction of lowest point of the berm, specifically towards transfer pump if possible. Attach the hand sprayer to the male quick connect as shown and secure it to the pole. The Rapid Pro hand sprayer comes equipped with 10 different spray patterns to choose from. Use the most appropriate pattern for your application. Place the desired liquid soap into the soap container and secure the container in place. Connect soap dispenser through Quick Connect on the bottom of the table. Connect garden hose to soap dispenser tightly to avoid leakage. When using the soap dispenser, select the G Clean position on the dial. When not using the soap dispenser or when a refill is needed, turn the dial to the water position. Once the soap dispenser is assembled and tested, the Rapid Pro K9 decontamination station is ready for use. When working with a live agent, follow your local protocol's decon operations, including selection of the proper personal protective equipment. Whenever possible, warm water should be used to protect the animal from exposure to temperature extremes. As in any decon operation, a medical team for the responders should be standing by for monitoring and rehab operations. Consult your department's standard operating procedures for more specific information on decontamination operations. The Versar Rapid Pro K9 decontamination station options include the X and XL series shelters. These lightweight tents can be quickly deployed and have additional features including inlets for cool or hot air from portable HVAC units. Other available options for this system include the collapsible tool wall, allowing for the safe staging of supplies and tools used in the decontamination process. This portion of the video describes the proper disassembly of the Rapid Pro system. First, turn off the water supply. Then relieve the pressure in the hose by opening the nozzle, allowing the water to drain. Once the pressure is relieved in the hose, disconnect the hose from the soap dispenser. Then remove the soap dispenser and discard any unused soap. Before removing the hand sprayer and hose, be sure to drain any remaining water from the sprayer hose. Next, remove the drain hose. Note that some residual water may remain. Be sure to allow the remaining water to drain before storing the hose. The next step in disassembly is to remove and fold the ramps. After folding, be sure to secure the ramp sections using the spring locks. Remove the restraint harness by first removing the horizontal poles by unscrewing the T-bolts. Then remove the vertical poles. Carefully place the table on its side, allowing any residual water to drain into the berm. Then unlock the legs and fold them up, locking them into the storage position. Once the table is disassembled and removed from the berm area, roll the flooring by turning over so that the channels face up. Roll the flooring as even as possible. Then secure the roll with the supplied Velcro straps. To disassemble the berm, first drain all remaining water by using the transfer pump. This is best accomplished with 2 people lifting the berm, allowing any remaining water to flow towards the pump. Once you are finished draining the berm, disassemble the transfer pump by removing the discharge hose using the quick disconnects. Then empty any remaining water from the discharge hose prior to storage. Lastly, disassemble the berm by collapsing the support brackets as shown. Then fold the berm as shown so that it will fit back into the bag. While folding the berm, please be careful to check the underside for any loose debris. Fold the berm carefully to avoid any damage or punctures. Also, be sure to smooth out any air pockets that could form when folding, as air pockets could hinder storage operations. Coil all hoses and put into the storage bag. Lastly, wrap the electric plug around the pump and store in the same bag with the hoses. The Versar Rapid Pro K9 Decontamination Station is the most efficient, safe, and fast way to decontaminate any service animal. This highly portable system is deployed quickly by 1 or 2 people, allowing your team to respond immediately to the needs of any service animal that becomes exposed to hazards while on the job.